In the beginning of Surah Maryam, there's a verse, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. This Tafseer al-Burhan, the Sayyid Hashim al-Bahrani, volume number 5, published in Iran. The first verse of Surah Maryam, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sad. Hadith number 3. Sa'ad ibn Abdullah Qumi, who's a very famous and well-known narrator and very respected, and he was a companion of Imam al-Hadi alayhi salam, Imam Hassan al-Askari alayhi salam. He has the opportunity to meet with the 12th Imam alayhi salam. And in that meeting, he asks him about this verse. فأخبرني يا ابن رسول الله أن تأويل كاف ها يا عين صاد ذكر رحمة ربك عبده زكريا. So he asked the Imam alayhi salam, what is the tafsir of these letters in the Holy Quran? The Imam alayhi salatu wasalam said, هذه الحروف من أنباء الغيب اطلع الله عليه عبده زكريا. These are signs and symbols that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had informed his servant Zakaria, and later on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala narrated this to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Zakaria had prayed to